will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to the system. All you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airbnb app, or just click on it here. Then you click here on search, then add here Airbnb app. So just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage here. Then you come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here. So click here on Play Store. Then you search for Airbnb app. It's going to show for you like this. If this here, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.